In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DeepSeek with Gohighlevel. We'll be building this inside a Gohighlevel workflow so that your automation can trigger an AI action and then send that response wherever you need it inside your account. This is a simple setup, but it's important to follow each part carefully so the workflow runs exactly as expected. First, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct subaccount. That part matters because workflows, contacts, and automation settings are managed at the subaccount level. Once you're in the right place, go to the automation section. From there, click Create Workflow. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean workflow with no pre-built logic, which is helpful when you want full control over how the DeepSeek integration behaves. Next, click Add New Trigger. In the trigger search, type contact tags and then select Contact Tag. This means the workflow will begin whenever a contact receives the tag you want to use. Using tags is a practical choice because it gives you an easy way to control when the AI should activate. After selecting the trigger, click Save Trigger. Now that the workflow has a starting point, click Add and then choose Add Action. In the Action search bar, type Agent AI and then select AI Agent. This is the point where the AI portion of the workflow is connected, allowing the system to process the contact through your AI setup. Once the AI Agent action is in place, the next part is deciding where the AI's response should go inside Gohighlevel. You can route that response back into your account by using another action that updates a contact field, adds an internal note, or sends the AI's response through SMS or email. Which option you choose depends on your workflow goal. For example, updating a contact field is useful for storing a response. An internal note is helpful for team visibility, and SMS or email can be used if you want the response delivered directly. As you configure this, make sure the output goes to the place that will be most useful for your follow-up process. Keeping the response organized inside the contact record can make later automations much easier to manage. When everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. You've created a Gohighlevel workflow that uses a contact tag as the trigger, runs through an AI agent action, and routes the response back into your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a clean and flexible foundation for using DeepSeek with Gohighlevel.